Dear viewers, today we get to know about the key regulatory mechanisms of chitin degradation. First is induction by chitin substrates. Chitinolytic enzymes, for example, exokitinases and endokitinases, are produced in response to the presence of chitin, which is then broken down into the soluble oligomers, dimers, and monomers. Second is small RNA regulation, that is Chi-X. In Serratia marcescens, the small RNA Chi-X acts as a post-transcriptional repressor by binding to the 5' untranslated regions of Chi-PQ CTB transcripts. This system allows regulation of chitinase and chitin binding protein production. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.